What you making today, Rosie?
Nachos. 5.
5 cups?
Yeah.
That's a lot of cheese.
What happened?
Where are you going?
Uh-oh.
Your oven, the mini oven.
Mini oven. 96. Uh-oh. They made you. What happened? No room.
There is room. There you go.
Done. Wow. Good. Bye.
Bye. See ya.